Welcome to the Zaytrics AI series. Today we are going to demystify the concept of AI. So what exactly is AI? So AI is like a human being. So in a human being scenario, what happens is basically you send the kid to school and where the teacher teaches them all the alphabets. So you kind of train the human brain the pattern within each alphabet. So if it is an A, so you would say there is a circle, there is a tilde at the bottom. This pattern a human brain would try to learn. In the same way, AI also works the same way, whereby rather than giving the books, you are giving the AI actually the data, all the data, and you are telling AI that this is A. So for example, you would give all the different permutation of A, like I would write it, somebody else would write it, or a doctor would write it, and then you would tell that AI model that this is A. These are the different permutation. If a doctor writes it, it would be something like that. If a normal person writes it, it would be something like that. And the AI model would try to understand all the patterns within it. So now what is the difference between a human and an AI? So basically human being has a curse of dimensionality, which we call human cannot think beyond 3 dimension, whereby AI model can understand pattern within n dimensional data, which is something very unique with the AI model, which human cannot do. So obviously human have rationale, whereby AI would not have that much of a rationale. So AI would try to understand patterns within the n dimensional data. Now, what are the examples where you can use AI model? So you can use AI model in image processing, you can use in computer vision. So what is image processing? For example, let's understand that you have a factory. So in a factory, you are selling fish. So you have two types of fish, sea bass and salmon. So basically with an AI agent or with a simple AI, you would put a camera and the camera would try to understand whether this is a salmon or a sea bass. So it would classify it and at real time it would do it. Now, why would you need AI? Of course, if you are doing this salmon and sea bass classification with a human being, you would require a team of 10 people who would do maybe sort, say, 60 or 70 articles per say minute, whereby an AI would do the same task in within a second or maybe less than a second. So this is how powerful an AI would be. So basically this is what AI is in a simple terms of it. So now which tools can be used to create an AI system? So you can use n8n. You can use, if you understand programming, so you should go for Python. So from Python you would write AI related components, and then you would, what are the process associated with it, we'll talk in detail in later videos. But if in a gist of it, you need to train the model, and then the model will try to predict from unseen data. So what is unseen data? Which is basically you never saw that data and it's a real time data coming in. So now what are the benefits of AI? Like I told you, the biggest benefit is obviously cost cutting, and AI would automate the task in a much better way, whereby a human being would not be able to do it in that way. A human being can make mistakes in a trivial task, whereby AI would not be able to do it. So, if you want to learn more about the depth and different aspect of AI, stay tuned to this channel and you would get new videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.